Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'll be showing you how to make this design I have here. I made this with 6mm yellow crystal and 11 seed bead green. So after watching this video, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share my videos, comment if you have any concern. And if it's your first time of watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. So to start with this design today, I'm going to be using my fishing line, 0.30. That's what I have here, 0.30. I will use my flat nose plier to pull out my needle when it gets stuck. I have my cutter for cutting out any unwanted parts from the fishing line. So here is my 11 seed bead and this my 6mm crystal. So to get started, I'm going to pick one 6mm. I'll let it drop to the middle. I have it this way. The next thing to do, I'm going to pick on my right, I'll pick 3 11 and on my left I will do same. Then when I drop it, I have it like this. The next thing at this point, I'm going to pick one 6mm and I will crisscross with it. When I crisscross, I have this. The next thing, I'm going to pick 3 11 on my right, three on my right, and 3 on my left. And I'll let it drop. Then I'll take the crystal to crisscross with. So when I crisscross, I have the second one like this. The next thing, I'm going to pick 3 on my right, and 3 on my left. Now let it drop. Then I'll take one to crisscross with it. Three on my right, 3 on my left. And I'll crisscross with this. So I have it like this now. I'll do this one more time. Three on my right, 3 on my left. Then I will crisscross with this. So when I crisscross, this is what I have. So to turn to the second row, I'm going to pick 3 on my right, crystal on my right. Then I'm going to crisscross with 3 seed bead. I'll crisscross with these three like this. When I pull it, I'll have it like this. Now you see my fishing line is coming out from the side here. What I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to pick a crystal with my right needle. That's the needle facing me, coming towards my direction like this. Then I'll pick this with it. I'll pick crystal with it. Then I'll use the same right fishing line and I'll pick 3 seed bead. Then I'll let it drop. Then I'll take one and crisscross with it, one crystal. I'll crisscross with one crystal. When I pull, I have it like this. This is what I have when I pull it. So the next thing to do, I'm going to always take my left needle to pass through this 3 seed beads on the previous one. Then I'll pull it like this. Then I will take my right needle to pick 3 seed beads. Then I'll crisscross with a crystal. When I pull, I have it like this. So the next thing, I'm going to take the left needle and pass through this 3 seed bead again. Then take the right needle, pick 3 seed bead. Then I'll crisscross with one crystal. This is what I have now. Then take my left needle, pass it through this 3 seed bead here. Always remember to pull tight. Now pull, take the other needle to pick 3 seed bead. Then I'll take one crystal to crisscross it. So I have this next one attached. Then I'll pass through these 3 again. I'll pull it. I'll take my right fishing line to pick 3 seed bead, and I'll take one to crisscross with. When I crisscross, this is what I have. So at this point, I'm going to pass my needle through this last one here. Then I will pull it. So this is what I have. So because I'm going to do the same thing to the 3rd row, I'm not going to pick seed bead with my right at this point. Instead, I'm going to pick a crystal with my left, that's this one here, like this. Then I will take the same left, pick 3 seed bead, then I'll crisscross with this. I'll crisscross with my right fishing line. When I crisscross, I have it like this. So now we have the second row. So we're going to start with the third row now. So having it like this, I'm going to use my right needle, the same one facing me. I'll pick a crystal, use the same needle, pick 3 seed beads. Then I will take the same needle and pick a crystal, then I'll crisscross with this. When I crisscross, I have it like this. Always remember the same thing we did for the second row. Always remember to pass your left needle to this 3 here, then pull tight. At this point, I'm going to pick 3 seed bead with my right and crisscross with the 6 mm. When I pull, I have the second one. So the next thing, pass needle through this 3 here. Then I'll pull it. When I pull, then I'll use my right needle to pick this 3 seed bead. Then I'll take my right needle, pick a crystal, and crisscross with it. So I'll continue like this. Once I get to this part, the end part, I will show you what it looks like. At this point, this is where I am. The next thing to do at this point, I'm going to pass my needle through this 3 seed bead here. Then I'll pull it. Once I pull, like we did before, I'm going to use my left needle and pick the crystal. Then I'll pick 3 seed bead with it. Then I'll crisscross with my right needle. Once I crisscross, I have it like this. At this point, we only have it like this. We'll have this middle left to close. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to use my needle to pick 1 crystal. Then I'll pass the same needle through this 3 seed bead at this side. Once I pull it, I have it like this. So at this point, I'm going to take a crystal and crisscross my both needles. Once I crisscross, I have it like this. So what I'll be doing at this point is to pass through this, use my right needle, pass through this 3 seed bead on my right, and do same with my left needle. Pass through these ones, then I'll pull tight. So after passing through the seed beads, I'll crisscross with a crystal. Once I pull, I have it like this. I'll do this one more time. Pass through this 3 on my right with my right needle, remember. Pull it hard. Then use my left needle and pass through the 3 on my left. Pull it. Then I'll take a 6 mm and crisscross with it. Like this. So I'll continue like this till I get to this point. Once I get to this part, I will show you the next thing to do. At this point, this is what I have. So the next thing, I'm going to pass my needle through this seed bead, the 3 seed bead here, then I'll pull it. I also take my left needle and pass through this 3 seed bead and I'll pull. Once I pull, this is what I have. The next thing to do, I'm just going to take 1. At this point, I'm not going to crisscross because it's the end, the last one. After picking the crystal with my right, you can use either left or right, will do the same thing. Then I'll tie it. I'll tie 3 times to secure this. When I tie, three times, this is what I have. Then with my cutter, I'll cut out the excess. This is it. So go ahead and make yours to your desired length. Share my videos, like them, comment if there's any question. See you next time. Bye bye.